CTA's 2-in-1 security multi-flex tablet stand and wall mount. Make your tablet a theft-protected fixture of your living space, workspace, and more. This stand unfolds to create an easy tabletop display setup and is also bundled with 2 convenient mount-anywhere bases, giving you easy installs on a wall or under a cabinet. The stand employs a clever push-button lock and cable system, preventing theft while your tablet is set up in tabletop mode, plus an additional K-slot lock block that protects your tablet while it is in one of the mounting bases. Two flexible hinges give you expansive angle adjustment options, while the headpiece rotates 360 degrees for portrait and landscape displays. The unique slide-adjustable corner grip holder resizes to accommodate most 7 to 14-inch tablets and is also fully compatible with rugged tablet cases up to 1 inch in thickness. This universal stand is compatible with most 7 to 14-inch tablets, including iPad mini, iPad Air Generation 3, 11-inch iPad Pro, iPad Pro 12.9 Generation 3, iPad Gen 6, and more.